Women vendors of Khwaramban markets take out public alert rally against any threat to territorial integrity of Manipur. And Union Cabinet grants ownership rights to residents of unauthorized colonies in Delhi. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangtam, bringing you the top stories. Women vendors of the three Khwaramban markets took a public alert rally towards the Chief Minister's bungalow today against any threat to territorial integrity of Manipur with the culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks. Traffic movement was affected near the overbridge in Khwaramban market due to the stare. Imphal West Police team, including women police, halted the protesters near the Congress Bhavan, ensuing intense confrontation between them. The police finally managed to drive the women protesters back to the market and permitted only a few protesters to submit a memorandum to Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah. A woman protester warned that women vendors of Khwaramban markets are all set to launch a third Nupi Lal movement if the territorial integrity of the state is ever harmed by the final agreement of Indo-Naga peace talks.
Over power Rotana, Manipur, upon we Satum Kaluk Pur Manba, Atugumba autonomy Singba, Pinaba Wakalam Targadi, Manipur Miam Punamana, Amuta Hokta Yo, Amuta talked about Punaba, Torkana has a government of India warning thousand.
Manipur say, Macheta Nabakari Matorpataraga, I quite Awum Supanupilangi the Makta, I quite. Thorang tawduna leirabani Khwaramban bazargi ima ibin punamaksina
government nauna masidi akoina mamangda haisini miyang ya pam khangna thabak tawbi haisini miyang ya pam khangna thabak tawdaba mikupta government su dum loimba government su leibagi mathok ta de government su leiro oiba matamdu dadi aduna government su miyang ya pam tawrok takdi miyang ya pam thabak tawbiu haidana parja miyam se mabu yadana thagalini miyang ya pam khangna thabak tawgadi tawrok takdi ma masana adum resign tawjaba tabani miyang ya pam mitungina.
All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association Amawova held its 30th Foundation Day celebration at GM Hall today. Speaking on the sidelines, President of the association, Y. Kunjurani, said that the association welcomes the finalization of Indo-Naga peace talks. However, the final agreement of the peace talks should not harm the territorial integrity of the state in any manner. She warned that the association, along with people of the state, will stay against any threat to Manipur by the agreement. Kunjurani further condemned the Indian government for playing divide and rule policy among communities residing in the state and urged the people to unitedly stand against it.
Iram tamse seisida koi punna nuksi janana laiminasi Indiana thaiba diba and rule policy se akoi masi munna khangminara kanda akoi masi akoi punna hingminaragadi akoi punna nusinaragadi punna thengnaminaragadi akoi gi pandam khudikmak phangani lakadoriba framework agreement sigi matang seisa akoi karigumba hoi NSN ayanga India government ga yasanaba porakpa haibaje akhoi su yamna pami tabudabu adugi yasanabada iramda mase Manipur se kanglei pa se sokpa taragadi akhoi amoba ama oina akhoi su angamba thodang logjaduna Manipur miyang ga loinana thengnabam thopa India government gi mathakta thengnagani haba wafansi mathamjari.
Department of Textile, Commerce and Industries organized Money Tax Cycle Rally in relation to National Expo today. Commerce and Industries Minister Thongam Biswajit flagged off the rally from City Convention Centre at Hapta Kangjaibung. The 48-kilometer cycle rally concluded at Manipur Trade Centre in Lamboi Khongnangkhong. Speaking on the sidelines, Commerce Industries Textiles Director K. Lamli Kamai stated that the rally aimed to promote the use and production of native products. Many professional cyclists of the state and women folks took part in the rally.
Dongan dongan ma khungangda khoi pisal sa toriba khu chahai thawak toriba mayam si da pauchen ama sachaba amadi hiramdam ge puthok asi mayam si marang kaina puthoga hiramdam ge puthok asi khoi mayam na punna sina si haibagi pauchen ama khak bipum khuding de pijabani puthokpa yauraga sinaba yaurakanda ani makse khoi ki thong manana chanai de makta khoi na ngasi gi manite secretary de si masi gi hapta kangjai bungi state convention se da hodok charaga masiगी सिना कोई खुंगंगदा हाइदरकांदा यांगथांगदगी रोमेजराउदगी पुखरम बम खासंजेम बम वहें कुमन अमदी अदगी इशोक अमुक लालाकांदा नौरेम ओइनाम माइना फावरकांदा मयाम सिब लापकांदा कोइना हप्ता कंजेबुंग सिदिगी हौरगा तमोय खुना खोंदा अरोइबा पुंग अनीदा कोइ पुनमुक थुमिनरकांदा अखोइगी लोसिनबगी मयामदो पाउजेन पीबी प्रोग्राम सिंग असि सुमाइना तौरगा समजिन जगनी हंतागा
A combined team of Imphal East District Commando and 15th Assam Rifles has arrested a suspected active KCP PWG cadre from Yumnam Patlo, Thongkong. The arrested person is identified as 37 years old, Soibam Malimngan Bamaite alias Lover, son of late Yaima from Yumnam Patlo, Maning Laikai under Sagol Mang Police Station, Imphal East District. Impact News sources said that the Imphal East Commando team, led by Imphal East Commando OC Y Saktishen under the supervision of Imphal East DSP Operation KH Herojit along with 15 Assam Rifles personnel, arrested a suspect from Yumnam Patlo, Thongkong at around 4:30 p.m. yesterday. Sources further said Soiba Malem Nganpa's involvement in extortion of money from various private schools, private hospitals, government offices, pharmacies, shops in Imphal areas has been confirmed. The team has also seized a mobile phone from him. On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we'll bring you news on Union Cabinet's approval on regularization of unauthorized colonies in New Delhi. Keep watching Impact. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Afternoon News. Union Cabinet has approved regularization of unauthorized colonies in Delhi. Rights of ownership will be granted to the people living in these colonies. Housing and Urban Affairs Minister Hardeep Singh Puri said 40 lakh residents of unauthorized colonies will be given ownership, mortgage and transfer rights. He added that a bill in this regard will be introduced in the next session of Parliament. The Cabinet has also decided to hike the minimum support price for Rabi crops for the marketing season 2020-2021. Briefing reporters in New Delhi yesterday, Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar said MSP for wheat, gram, barley, mustard and sunflower seed have increased. Javadekar said the move will help in increasing farmers' income. Government has also approved a revival plan for BSNL and MTNL Communications, and IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad said the Cabinet has given in principle approval for their merger. Counting of votes for 288 members of Maharashtra Assembly, 90 seats Haryana Assembly and by-polls to 51 Assembly seats and 2 Lok Sabha constituencies began this morning. The first two results of Haryana Assembly polls went in favor of BJP, with party candidate Dr. Kamal Gupta winning his third constituency and Pramod Kumar Vij winning from Panipat city. However, BJP's Haryana Chief Subhas Barala has offered to quit, with the party not performing as well as expected in the state and struggling to even touch the majority mark of 46 in the 90-seat assembly. In Maharashtra, no party has touched 144 magic mark on its own. The ruling BJP is ahead in 6 seats as votes are counted for by-polls to 11 assembly constituencies in Uttar Pradesh. The opposition Samajwadi Party, Bahujan Samaj Party and Congress is leading in 2, 1 and 1 seat each, as per information from the ECI's website so far. While in Punjab by-polls, Congress is likely to win Jalalabad and Pagwara seats. Congress has won 1 seat and BJP none out of the 2 assembly seats of Rajasthan by polls. And now to sports news. On a high after an opening night win at home, Kerala Blasters FC are set to pit their wheats against Mumbai City FC in an ongoing Hero Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 encounter at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Kochi tonight at 7:30. FC Goa thrashed Chennai in FC by 3-0 in yesterday's league match played at Goa's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, also known as Fatorda Stadium. For the winners, Seminian Dongal, Farhan Corominas and Carlos Pena scored 1 goal each at the 30th, 62nd and 81st minute of the match. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Women vendors of Khairamban markets take out public alert rally against any threat to territorial integrity of Manipur. And Union Cabinet grants ownership rights to residents of unauthorized colonies in New Delhi.